The following is Melanie's for 2011-227 test 3, number 6. A supplier of CDs claimed that no more than 1% of the CDs are defective. In the randomly sample of 600 CDs, it is found that 3% are defective, but the supplier claims that this is only a sample fluctuation. At the 1% level of significance test, the suppliers claim that no more than 1% are defective. Now you see that the p hat equals to 0.03, and then the significance level is 1%. The sample size is 600. Right? Okay, now let's start. The claim is no more than 1% are defective. Now, this phrase here is kind of hard to understand first, but if you think about it, the phrase no more than means less than or equal to, right? Or at most. That will help us when we do the hypothesis. When we do the hypothesis, the null hypothesis is p is less than equals to 0.01, right? No more than, right? That's the one the claim says, and then the alternate hypothesis is the p is greater than 0.01. Now then, let's move on with the test statistic. C star equals to p hat minus p over the square root of pq over n. By the way, be very careful here. I keep on making mistakes with this pq here. I keep on using p hat q hat. I hope you don't follow that mistake. Okay, because we use the parameter as assumed by the hypothesis. Okay, now let me continue. I put the numbers in. This is 0.01 times 0.99 over 600. When I compute, I get this is 0.02. Okay, and then that one there is 0. If you compute that, I think you get 0.00406, which if I divide, I will get 4.92. Now then, step 4, critical value. If I do the C distribution, right, you will see that I need 1% significant level, means this is 1% here, right? It's a right tail test, right? Okay, and then if you take a look on the table, it will be 2.33 here. Now that's the critical value. Now if we compare to the test statistic, the test statistic is far away there, is 4.92 there, right? Therefore our informal conclusion will be we'll say the reject null hypothesis. Okay, or another way to say we accept alternate hypothesis. Now, but our claim is actually with the null hypothesis, which means we will reject null hypothesis, right? Okay, let me do it here. So the conclusion, we say at the 1% significance level, the sample data is sufficient to reject, how to say better, to is sufficient to reject the claim that no more than 1% of CDs are defective. Well, we have many ways to say that the sample data does not support the claim, like that. Okay, this is from Melanie's fall 2011 Math 227 test 3 number 6.